In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and play Pubg Mobile on your PC or laptop for free. The process is very simple. Just follow the steps exactly as I show, and you'll be able to run Pubg smoothly on your computer. Step 1. Start by opening any browser on your PC or laptop. In the search bar, type BlueStacks and hit enter. You'll see a list of websites, but make sure to click on the official BlueStacks website. This is important to avoid unofficial or outdated versions. Once you're on the site, look for BlueStacks 5. This is the best version for playing Pubg Mobile smoothly. Click the Download BlueStacks 5 button. A pop-up may appear, confirm it, and choose your download location, then the download will begin. Step 2. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the BlueStacks installer file. The setup process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. It may take a few minutes to complete. Once installation is done, click Launch to open BlueStacks. It may take a bit of time to load on the first run, so be patient. Step 3. After BlueStacks opens, you'll see a dashboard similar to an Android phone. Click on the Home button in the top menu bar if it doesn't take you there automatically. Now you should see the Google Play Store on the home screen. Click on it to open. Search for Pubg Mobile in the Play Store. Make sure to choose the official version of Pubg Mobile, then click Install. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Go ahead and log in. After logging in, the game will begin downloading. Keep in mind, it's a large file around 1 GB, so it might take a little while depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, return to the BlueStacks home screen, and you'll now see the Pubg Mobile icon. Click on the icon to launch the game and start playing, right from your PC or laptop.
If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel.
And that's it. That's how you can download and play Pubg Mobile on your PC or laptop completely free using the official method.